Hello everybody, myself Himanshu Dhupia, and today we will talk about volcanoes, that what volcanoes are, what are the different types of volcanoes and what exactly are the parts of volcanoes. Okay, so this particular lecture will be focusing on the volcanoes. So before going further, I welcome you all at the Universal Group of Institutions, Bangalore, and our admissions are open for PUC, BSc, BCom and BA courses along with the Masters Political Science. We offer IAS, IPS and KAS coaching in academics, and in POC we offer CLAT, CSET and CUT. So admissions are open for 2024, 2025, 2026. Okay, so you can visit universalinstitutions.com for registration purpose, and if you use the referral code HIM007 you can get interesting discounts also. Okay, and this particular series is for the Geography UPSC KS Mains 2025, and students, we have like many vast, the list of videos. As you can see, plate boundaries, tectonics. Also I've covered the major tectonic plates, minor tectonic plates. That such type of topics helps in the competitive examination, where geography is the major subject, as well as in the general GK also, general knowledge also. So today we are going to talk about the volcanoes. In that, first step it will be ring of fire. So what is ring of fire, or we can say rim of fire? So this particular area, as you can see, I'm marking also here, this ring of fire is situated in Pacific plate, Pacific Ocean basically, and it is a horseshoe shaped belt of intense volcanic eruption. Like lot of volcanoes, or we can say 90% of volcanoes occurs in this particular belt. So this particular area is home to 75% of volcanoes as well as 90% of earthquakes. So why I'm telling you all these things? Because in this particular video we will talk about how volcanoes are formed, what exactly are these. So if I go in the definitions, so volcanoes are openings in the earth crust. This is the earth crust, and these are the openings in the earth crust through which molten rocks, gas and other minerals are released from deep within the earth. Okay, so this is how the volcano looks like. Okay, this is the openings. From the opening of the earth crust, the magma is coming out. The moment magma comes out, that is called lava, students. So till the time those molten rocks are inside the earth surface, that is called magma. The moment they comes out, it is called lava. So this is the lava flowing on the earth crust, and the rocks are also formed due to this lava only, intrusive and extrusive igneous rocks. Okay, when this lava will solidify, that will convert into the rocks itself. Okay, so basically when the magma is rising, when the magma is rising, students, so are these the molten liquid, is it coming out of like blue? No, it is not possible. First thing is that this is the earth crust, and when the magma is building here, the molten rocks are there, they will try to pressurize the earth surface, they will try to pressurize this particular area. Okay, this particular area. Now when the magma is pushing up it, but our earth crust is almost 100 kilometers thick, so magma needs some cracks to go up. How the cracks will appear? Cracks will appear due to this subduction. As you can see, this is a convergent boundary, means one plate is going down and one plate is little bit rising. So this particular area is called subduction zone, and at the subduction zone we have lot of magma, the new magma building up. New magma means more magma means more pressure to the earth's crust. This is how the volcanoes are formed. Okay, that's why we say that at subduction zone most of the volcanoes are formed. So if we talk about the parts of volcanoes, so this particular pipe is called conduit. Okay, this particular triangle shaped cone is called cone, basically the steep surface. This is the magma chamber, and if the magma is coming out but it's not able to come out fully, it is stranded here only. Okay, that is called sill. Okay, and now when the magma erupts, there will be a crater type formation, that is called crater, and when the magma is erupting, lot of gases, ashes, these are releasing along with the water vapor, that is called ash clouds, and when the lava is flowing, When the lava is flowing like this, that is called lava flow. So these are the parts of volcanoes. So we will talk about each part in detail. That first we will talk about magma chamber. So magma chamber, as I already showed you, that magma chamber is a reservoir where magma is stored beneath the volcano. This is volcano, okay, this is volcano, and this is the magma chamber where magma means the molten rocks are stored beneath the volcano. Now if this particular volcano find a crack in the, if they finds the ways to come out of the surface, that's where the magma forms. Okay, so this is our magma chamber. Second is ash clouds. As you can see, this magma is getting erupted, the lava is getting, volcanic eruption is going on right now. So lot of ashes along with the debris, rock particles, a lot of dust is released. Okay, lot of gases are released, a lot of water vapor is released. So that is called our ash clouds that are released into the air. Third is conduit. So conduit means this is the magma reservoir. Okay, magma reservoir. When this magma is coming out through a tube like structure, this is called conduit. Okay, this is called conduit. So we can say that a pipe like structure that connects magma chamber to the surface. So this is magma surface, this is our surface, the crust, and the connecting pipe is called conduit. Next is sill, S-I-L-L, sill. So sill means when the magma was coming like this, it was not able to crack and come up. What happened? The magma was coming, it went into left and right like this. So this particular formation is called sill. Okay, and this vertical portion that is frozen here itself, that is called dike. So this is the difference between sill and dike, that flat rock formation that forms molten magma, cools and solidifies in a crack. So remember, all the volcanoes won't be coming out, students. Some of the volcano, or we can say most of the volcano, will be inside the beneath the surface only. Okay, so such type of fragments are called papyrites. This is called fissures. Okay, so these are some examples of parts of volcano, we can say. Next is crater. So like right now this volcano is not, lava is not coming out from the volcano, but when the lava was coming out, it created a bowl shaped depression here. Can you see? This is the bowl shaped depression. And if this depression collapse inward like this, that is called caldera. Okay, so this is difference between crater and caldera, that when this crater formation, this bowl depression is there, if that bowl depression's boundary, or we can see it is getting collapsed, it is going like this. See, this was the crater and now it collapsed, that is called our caldera. So it can be asked in examination, what is difference between caldera and crater, so be ready for it. Okay, now, and you can see like that. So earlier this was the full crater, now the crater collapsed and the rainfall occurred, the lake formation happened, that is called caldera. So students, an interesting announcement before going further is that admissions are open for IAS and KS coaching. You should register right now for upcoming examinations. These are the numbers you can contact on, or you can visit our headquarter also uccindia.org for further queries and questions. All right. Next we will talk about the types of volcanoes. Okay, so first type of volcano is called shield volcano. Why it is called shield, students? Because like this is the volcano, so the crater will be like a shield like this. Okay, so how we describe it, that these shield volcanoes are broad, gentle sloping volcanoes with a shape resembling a warrior shield. Can you see this shield? This is looking like a shield, like a warrior shield. Okay, and the eruption style is characterized by non-explosive. It won't be that much explosive. It will be a normal explosion. Okay, normal explosion means let me show you the normal one, like this. Okay, like this one is coming out, exploding, but such type of volcanoes, they won't explode. Simple, they will go some in the air and it will fall out simply. That is called effusive. Okay, effusive. So non-explosive, effusive eruptions with the outpouring of lava. Lava will flow. Okay, lava will flow like this. That's why the slopes are gentle, because lava is flowing like this. So it's not steep like this, it is like the gentle. So examples are Mount Loa in Hawaii. This is the Mount Loa. It is situated in Hawaii Island. And second is Mount Etna in Italy. These are the examples of shield volcanoes. You have to remember that. Okay. Second type of volcano is cinder cone volcano. Cinder cone, it is a steep side. What did we, like the shield one was like this. Okay, it was like a shield, but cinder cone, the name itself suggests is like a cone, like a triangle. So it is a steep side. This side is steep, and conical volcanoes formed by explosive eruptions of ash, cinders and dust. As you can see that in the video itself, these debris are coming out. These are the ash, these are the dust, these are the rock particles that are coming out of cinder cone volcanoes. So what type of eruption is? Can you see in the clearly it's there that eruption style is explosive. So in examination, question will be asked regarding the comparison of different type of volcanoes. So you have to remember that. What are the examples? Examples are Pericutin in Mexico. This is the Pericutin in Mexico. See the debris are coming out. Okay. Now you would ask me that Mount Etna was also supposed to be like that. Yes. It's not a hard and fast rule that volcanoes will be like that only, but the basic characteristics are shield volcano. That's why Mount Etna, sometimes we consider that in cinder cone also, but the shape of Mount Etna is shield like. Okay, that's why we are counting it in shield. This is Sunset Crater in Arizona. That was also when it erupted, it was also a cinder cone type of volcano. Okay, the sides are steep. Third is composite or stratovolcano. Okay, so composite volcano, what is it? It is a tall, symmetrical, exact like a triangle. Tall, it will be a high mountain like Mount Fuji. Just check this out. Okay, see, it's like a tall volcano and symmetrical. It is a very symmetry. Like this one and this particular side will be exactly same. And this is composed of layers of lava, flows and volcanic ash. So what is the composite volcano? That earlier volcano was like this, more eruption occurred, it solidified more like this. So this is how the composite or strato means layers only. Now you know why we call stratovolcanoes, because earlier these were small and now it is getting bigger and more bigger like this. This is how the Mount Fuji in Japan has been formed. Also the Mount St. Helens in the United States is also the example of what? Composite or stratovolcanoes. And these type of eruptions can be both explosive as well as effusive. Effusive means the lava is flowing, and eruption explosive means lot of debris, ash clouds are forming, lot of gases is going up in the sky. Okay. Fourth type of volcano is lava dome. So Mount St. Helens also fall under the lava dome also. So lava domes are what? These formations typically consist of cooler, thicker lava. Lava is thick, it is not going up in the sky that much. Okay. So basically what happens, students, when the magma is coming out of conduit, it is getting solidifies here only. So let me give you an overview of the lava dome volcano. This is how the lava dome volcano look like. When the magma is coming out, it is getting solidifies here itself. Okay. So this is a volcanic structure. Lava domes are formed inside the volcano structure. Like this is called lava dome. Okay. And the magma lava dome volcanoes, forms are very viscous, means very thick volcanoes are there. Okay, the example being Mount Pelée in Martinique. This is the example of this is the volcanic structure, and this is the lava dome like structure. Okay. Also, Mount Anjen in Japan is also the example of what? Lava dome volcanoes. So I hope you know what do you mean by the volcanoes, as well as the types of volcanoes, as the parts of volcanoes. So in upcoming lectures, we will talk about volcano landforms and the volcanic eruptions. There are many type of volcanic eruptions. We will talk about it, and there are batholiths, laccoliths. All these are the volcanic landforms. Also, we will talk about in the next lecture. So you make sure you subscribe the channel and keep the notification bell icon on, so that the moment we post the video, you will get the notification ki okay, the new video is out. You cannot miss it, right? Because volcanoes we have done, so you have to see the volcanic landform also, as well as the volcanic eruptions also, for a comprehensive view of volcano. Okay, so and for the KS mains students who is going to attempt the KS mains examination, our 16 test, our test series is there. In that 16 test is there, 4 are essays, 8 are sectional text, and 4 are full length test. And already the schedules are up. You can give both online and offline, and the offer price is very less, 3499 only. So you make sure, because right now KS mains, the dates are not clear. It may happen anytime, but you should not be late for it. Also, the Universal Group is conducting Viksit Bharat, Vision Viksit Bharat. It's a free workshop, 2-day workshop. In that, we will talk about the contributions we can give to India's growth, and these are the seat distribution from 9th standard to PUC, 30%, UG, PG, and age group 24 to 27. So the seats are limited basically. So just scan for the registration, and the timing, the dates are 25th and 26th April. So you make sure you register and keep your seats ready. Okay. So students, that's all for today. So like the video, share the video, and make sure you subscribe it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.